Nigel! Nigel! Wake up! Somebody! Help!
Oh no! What happened?
There was a flash. It was lightning, and it came from her. I don't understand. I thought he was a vampire, but he's not. He's human. I have never made this kind of mistake before. I don't know what she's talking about, but we have to get him to a hospital now. No, you can't. You will expose the entire supernatural world. Not my problem. Besides, it was magic, and they wouldn't know what to do. Vampires? Supernatural world? Magic? What is going on?
Sommer, I will explain everything later, but right now, let's get him back to his room.
Okay, let's get him up.
No. Step away from him and stand up slowly. You are dangerous, and it is my job to protect these people from the likes of you.
Stop, V! Don't you see? Damon is different.
Whose side are you on?
You are the only one hurting people here. Let Damon help him.
I don't know what is going on. Are all of you crazy? Stop arguing. Nigel is laying on the ground, not moving. Now help him. Nigel, please be okay. I can hear his heart beating. He's alive. Damon, help me get him back to his room. Look at him lying there.
It's gonna be okay, Sommer. You.
What now, magic lady? Who likes to zap innocent bystanders? What do we do?
I don't know. I've never seen this before. But this magic was made to eliminate vampires. Since he's not a vampire, I don't know what the side effects will be. All we can do is wait.
Wait, that's your expert advice? Are you telling me you walk around town waving a supernatural vampire zapper and you don't know how it works? Are you kidding me?
Sommer, you have to calm down. Maybe you can talk to Nigel to get him to wake up.
Talk to him? What? He's like in a magical coma.
Yeah, but I read somewhere that people in comas can hear when you talk to them. It's worth giving a try.
Okay.
I'm going to run back to the sorority house and check to see if I can find something in my books that can help.
Good idea. I'll join you.
Okay, I can do this. Hey, Nigel. What's up? Sorry, was that too loud? I don't know what I'm doing. I've never talked to someone in a magical coma before. I hope you can hear me, because if you can, I want you to know that I am so sorry. Our first date was a disaster, and that was your fault for listening to Damon's bad advice, which I found out about later. But I should have given you a second chance right away, because we have known each other for a long time. You are one of my best friends. We've been through so much.
I expected more from you. No late projects will be accepted.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, man.
What is wrong?
Oh, I am going to fail drama class unless I can find someone willing to put on tights and be the Prince Charming in my play. Hint, hint.
Okay, you don't have to beg. I will do it.
You're the best. I can always count on you. It's opening night. How do I look?
Like the princess.
All right then, let's do this. You have always been there for me, and you deserved the benefit of the doubt. We belong together. I mean, who else knows that I like a venti cocoa latte with a slice of pie? Wake up, Nigel. Please, wake up.
How's he doing?
No change. I don't think talking to him is working. And I still don't totally understand how any of this happened in the first place. Magic? Really? I need someone to be straight with me here.
Summer, there's something I need to tell you. You might want to sit down for this.
There's gotta be something here. Something that can help.
I don't even know what we're supposed to be searching for. This book is about vampires, werewolves, witches, and aliens? Jazz, are you serious?
Check the glossary for accidental wand zapping or magical mishaps. You can skip over the alien section. I don't think that's relevant at the moment. Although, it's a real page turner.
I cannot believe magic is real. This goes against everything I learned in school. Physics? Yes. Biology? Yes. Ancient sorcery? Never learned that one.
Cali, there is no time for logic. Nigel is hurt. And it's totally not my fault, but we have to find some answers. So keep looking. What? My Nigel boo is hurt? No. But you just said it. Said it? Said what? Who said it? I didn't say it. Did you say it? Are you sure you heard what you think you heard? Who? When? Where? Said what? Jazz, I just heard you say it. What happened to him? Oh, never mind. I'll find out for myself. That's not going to end well.
Wow. So you're half vampire? I still can't believe it.
But I've never hurt anyone, and I never will.
I just need some fresh air. Will you keep an eye on Nigel?
Of course.
Thanks.
Wow. Summer, that was fast. What? Alex? What are you doing here?
I came to see Nigel.
Sorry, but now is not a good time.
Oh, will you just move out of the way?
Ugh.
My Nigel boo! What have they done to you?
Oh, he's fine. He's just taking a nap. Okay, I'll tell him you stopped by.
Oh, don't give me that. I can tell that he's hurt. We have a special bond. A woman knows these things. And why didn't anyone call me?
Why would anyone call you? I thought y'all broke up.
How dare you?
Summer.
Nigel? Nigel boo?
Did he just say something?
Yes. See? I told you we had a special bond. Nigel boo, I'm here.
Where am I? Who am I? Who are you? Oh no, I think he has amnesia. Dude, just stay there. I'm gonna go get Summer. Is my name Dude?
No, your name is Nigel, and you remember me, right?
I do not know. Maybe?
It's me, Alex, your girlfriend? Your one true love?
Alex?
Yes, that's right. Your girlfriend, the love of your life?
Summer. He woke up. He's right over here.
Nigel! Thank goodness! Nigel! You're awake! I was so worried!
Yes, I am Nigel. Nice to meet you. This is Alex, my girlfriend, and the love of my life.
What's up, cuz?
What?
To be continued on the next Sommer and Cali.
We were never growing up, said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love, and nothing could be better than you and me, you and me.